Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet C10. Price $7,500. It has been extensively upgraded and now features an LS swap, making it a powerful and reliable classic truck. It is equipped with an L33 aluminum 5.3L engine paired with 243 heads and a Chupacabra cam, delivering impressive performance. The power is transferred through a 4L60E automatic transmission to a 3.73 Posey rear end, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. With only 4,000 miles on the rebuilt engine, transmission, and differential, this truck is in excellent mechanical condition. Additionally, it features a digital dash and a locker shifter, adding a modern touch to the interior. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a brown interior, maintaining a classic yet refined look. Running on gasoline, this well-maintained truck comes with $11,000 in documented receipts for all the work done. It has a clean Colorado title in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 2. 1978 Ford F150. Price $7,000. This classic truck remains in good overall condition. With approximately 125,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a reliable 300 CI inline-six engine, paired with a 4-speed manual floor shifter and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it well-suited for both on-road and off-road driving. The truck has received an interior update while still maintaining its classic charm, and its original rims are included with the sale for those who appreciate its authentic look. The exterior is finished in a timeless beige color, complemented by a striking red interior that enhances its vintage appeal. Mechanically sound, the truck runs and drives well, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts. Number 3. 1983 Dodge W150. Price $8,500. With 102,000 miles, featuring a manual transmission and a 340 engine paired with a 4-speed grinding gear. It has 4.10 gears in both the front and rear, with the rear end recently rebuilt and upgraded with a Sure Grip unit for improved traction. The truck sits on a 4-inch lift and rides on nearly new 33-inch Cooper at 3 tires. Its blue exterior and matching interior create a classic, cohesive look, while the frame remains solid and rust-free. The only notable flaw is a minor repair needed on the passenger side rear cap corner. Several recent upgrades and maintenance improvements have been completed, including a fresh carburetor tune-up on the Holley double pumper and a fully custom-made rear wiring harness. The lighting system has been upgraded to LEDs, and a new radio and speakers have been installed for enhanced audio. Mechanical updates include a new drag link and a balanced rear driveshaft with new U-joints, ensuring smooth and reliable performance on and off the road. Number 4. 1979 Ford F150. Price $7,000. This is a well-maintained classic truck that runs and drives great. It is equipped with a durable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, offering a true vintage driving experience. The truck remains in good overall condition, making it a reliable choice for both collectors and enthusiasts. The exterior is finished in a clean white color, complementing the black interior for a timeless and rugged look. Running on gasoline, this F-150 retains its classic charm while still being fully functional for daily driving or weekend cruises. It comes with a clean title, ensuring a hassle-free ownership transfer. No matter how far the destination, this truck is ready to be driven home with confidence. Number 5. 1966 Ford F100. Price $9,000. This is an all-original, one-owner truck with an A title. It has 44,800 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission. Both the exterior and interior are tan, maintaining the truck's classic look. Powered by a gasoline engine, the motor runs well, and the transmission is in good condition. However, the truck currently has no brakes, so it will need to be trailered away. All 4 tires are new, but the vehicle does have some rust and will likely require a new bed and possibly new floor pans. Included with the truck are a new fuel tank and a new manifold, ready for installation. Additionally, it comes with the original owner's manual and service records, preserving its history. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet Ff100. Price $10,000. Powered by a 7.4L 454 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and has 131,000 miles. It features a sleek black exterior with a clean gray interior. Equipped with a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo, a Viper alarm with remote start, and rear helper air suspension bags with an air compressor, it offers both convenience and performance. A professionally installed drop kit ensures a smooth ride, while the custom exhaust enhances its powerful sound without being excessive. The truck has been parked for a while but starts up immediately and runs strong. The brakes are functional and safe but could use some maintenance, and the old fuel causes occasional sputtering without affecting performance. There are no check engine lights, and it comes with a clean Colorado title. Number 7. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. Two-wheel drive truck with an automatic transmission. It has 300,000 miles on the odometer, but the motor and transmission have only around 100,000 miles. It runs and drives great, does not leak or burn oil, and has a current inspection. Features include power windows and locks, a DVD player, a spray-in bed liner, new tires, and a new battery. The truck has been parked for a while but starts up immediately and runs strong. The brakes are functional but could use some work, and old fuel causes occasional sputtering. The windshield needs replacement, and there is minor rust around the fender wells, but nowhere else. No check engine light is on, and it comes with a clean Colorado title. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet K10, price $8,100. With 129,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in good condition and should have no trouble passing an inspection. The truck runs smoothly, with all components functioning properly and no rust issues. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 small block engine featuring a mild RV cam, an Edelbrock 650 carburetor, and a Performer intake. The power is transferred through an SM465 4-speed manual transmission with a relatively new clutch, paired with a 205 gear-driven transfer case. The truck also features a 12-bolt rear end with 4.11 gears. Finished in blue both inside and out, this classic Chevy retains its vintage charm while offering reliable performance. Number 9. 1993 Ford F250, price $7,000. With 176,000 miles on the odometer, it features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering a classic driving experience. The exterior is finished in a deep blue, while the gray interior has been kept in excellent condition for its age, free from any unpleasant odors or significant wear. Mechanically, this truck is in great shape and starts up effortlessly every time. Everything remains original, and all components are fully functional. Recently, it has received a brand new clutch, flywheel, and motor mount, ensuring smooth operation. A fresh oil change has also been performed, adding to its overall reliability. While there is some minor body rust, it is nothing to be concerned about and does not affect the truck's structural integrity. Number 10. 1994 GMC 1500, price $8,900. It has been meticulously maintained and is in excellent condition. With only 131,900 miles on the odometer, it has averaged just 4,300 miles per year. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a 5.7-liter 350 engine, this pickup runs flawlessly and requires no mechanical attention. The exterior is finished in brown, complemented by a tan interior that remains in near-perfect condition, with no rips in the seats or cracks in the dashboard. Additional features include a cowl hood, billet grille, tonneau cover, and rear roll pan, enhancing its classic look. Located in Dover, Delaware, this truck qualifies for antique tags, making it an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts.